Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or the Bluetooth. Now, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And right here at the right side we have a button called Disconnect. And we need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect and tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair it, you click at the forget button and you will totally remove these headphones from your phone. So let me disconnect it, and as you can see, we still have it at the device list, but it disconnected. And I can easily reconnect it by just tap at these headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!